Well, good morning, YouTubers, friends, and family across the world. This is Mike with your Morning Dew, daily events worldwide. We are on October 18th, 2017. And the sun has just unleashed a very large CME. Bam. You can see that. And that is from an incoming sunspot on the southeast quadrant of the sun. So around 11 p.m. last night, we had the first flare right there. And then about an hour later, we had some more action. There seems to be about 6 hours of LASCO 2 images missing from SOHO data. Throughout the night, we had quite a few earthquakes in the Tonga region. 6.0 this morning. So the uptick continues and will increase over the next 48 hours as this solar wind stream will be penetrating Earth. We can expect definitely some 6.0 or greater earthquakes. And about 48 hours from now, when it comes in, we most likely will be charging the Asian area throughout Eurasia, Indonesia, and of course the Tonga region. So I can expect some more earthquakes in the Tonga region as the solar wind stream comes. And this is the last 24 hours for earthquakes. Quite a bit of seismicity action in the United States. So folks, Morning Dew is here for you. Daily events worldwide. Posting videos on disaster alerts. So this is a disaster alert. There will be a sizable uptick in earthquakes. And we'll be expecting that in the following 2 days, as it takes about 24 hours to 36 hours for it to reach us. I'm just going to give you a quick view of the LASCO 3 image. You can see here on the left side, we've got Mars leaving the view. And then we've got Jupiter, who will be coming into view just as these flares erupt. I want to personally thank all my subscribers and all the viewers today. Thank you for watching and sharing my channel. It's growing all over the world. Subscribers in 38 different countries. Great community of friends and family that like to get into my videos and comment, and I'm really happy that you guys enjoy my channel. Thanks for watching. And yes, I'm still grounded for 3 months by YouTube for my first copyright strike. Yeah, we live and we learn, right? It is what it is for 3 months. So I'm doing my best with what I got. And again, I want to thank you again today. This video is about the solar flare, large solar flare that has erupted in the southeast quadrant of the sun. It will be heading towards Earth within the next 48 hours. Thanks for watching today. This has been Mike with your Morning Dew. Make sure to subscribe and share and hit that like button. Get into the comment section, say hi to the lovely community I have here, Morning Dew. Thanks for watching. Stay young and have fun. And get your Morning Dew.